All right, so I've got some historical stock data in my spreadsheet in Excel. And let's say I want to find if these closed numbers in the closed column are greater than the price in the open column. So, for example, if the close is 319, I want to highlight green if it's higher than the open of 315, which it would be. So let's do that. First thing you want to do is select your close column or the column you want to format. So it'll be E for me, and I'll highlight E2 through E254. You'll then press conditional formatting and highlight cell rules. Then you'll go all the way down here to more rules, and you'll go down here to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then you'll type in your formula. So you're going to type in equals E2, which should be the column that you're going to format. So it's be E, and it'd be 2 for me. 2 is the starting number. You're going to do colon E254. Just remember, that's where the data ended. It was column E254. You're then going to use the greater than signal sign, and you're going to type in B2, because that is the first, that's the column that I want to find if this is greater than it, and that's the first row. So B2 colon B254. You're going to hit format. You're going to go to the fill tab and find a green color that you'd like. So I'm going to pick this green. You're going to click OK, and then OK again. And now it has formatted all the numbers that are greater than the open in green. So this is 319, this is 315. 319 is higher, so it's in green. 325 is greater than 317, so it's in green. Now let's format if it's lower than the open. So once again, you'd select your whole entire column, starting at 2, starting where your data's at. Go conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and more rules. Go down to this bottom one, go into the bar and type in equals E2 colon E254 less than sign. You're going to type in B2 colon B254 and click format. Then find a red color that you like. I'm going to use this red. Click OK and OK again. And there you go. Now you can see all the numbers, all the close prices that were higher than its open, and all the close prices that were lower than its open. And it'll do this for the whole entire row. All right, that's it.